know that your smartphone has more processing power than the computers used to land man on the moon? This is thanks to advances in chips. No, not the chips you eat. The ones inside your mobile phone. Let's unbox a smartphone chip today. The main semiconductor chip in your phone is called a microprocessor. It is a set of electronic circuits created on a piece of silicon. A chip is made of tiny electrical switches called transistors. The more transistors fit on a chip, the more complex calculations and compute activities the chip can perform. To give you a sense of how many transistors can be on a chip, in 1965, there were only 64 transistors on a single chip. Today, your smartphone chip has billions and could be used to guide over 120 million Apollo-era spacecraft to the moon, all at the same time. This is an incredible technology revolution, and chips are at the heart of it.